بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
Now, dear friends, it's my pleasure to invite Muhammad Muzammil to the stage. He will be delivering a heartfelt speech on the significance and traditions of Eid Al Adha. Please join me in welcoming Muhammad Muzammil.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Respected President, honorable teachers and my dear friends, Eid Al Adha, a festival that holds a great significance for Muslims around the world. This festival, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, commemorates the profound act of faith by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. He was willing to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail alayhi salatu wassalam in obedience to Allah's command. Allah, seeing his unwavering faith, replaced Ismail with a lamb, symbolizing his mercy and Ibrahim's devotion. Eid Al Adha is not just about the act of sacrificing an animal, it's a time to remember the values of sacrifice, charity, and community. We share our meat from Qurbani with our family, friends, and those in need, reinforcing the bonds of solidarity and compassion among us. This act of giving ensures that everyone, regardless of their financial situation, can partake in the joy of Eid. However, it's essential to acknowledge the concerns of those who oppose the killing of animals. We must ensure that animals are treated with kindness and respect both in life and during the sacrifice. Islam teaches us to show mercy to all living creatures, and this should be reflected in our actions. The true essence of Qurbani lies in our intentions and the spirit of giving, not in killing the animals. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, لَن يَنَالَ اللَّهَ لُحُومُهَا وَلَا دِمَاؤُهَا وَلَكِنْ يَنَالُهُ التَّقْوَى مِنْكُمْ. It's neither the meat nor the blood that teaches Allah, but it's your piety that teaches Allah. This festival also brings a positive impact on our economy, especially in India. The increased demand for livestock supports livelihoods of many farmers, workers, and traders, contributing to our local economy. The financial benefits extend to a wide range of sectors, from transportation and logistics to retail and services, providing a much-needed boost to our communities. In conclusion, Eid Al Adha is a time for reflection, gratitude, and generosity. So let's honor this festival by performing our sacrifices with compassion, supporting our local economy, and sharing our blessings, maintaining a clean environment. May Allah accept our sacrifices, forgive our sins, and bless us with peace, prosperity, and harmony. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. Assalamu alaikum.